Hello and welcome back. This is Rozani. I'm continuing to work on this horned mask using the paper strip method, or Cartapesta. Cartapesta is the term used in Italy when they make those wonderful Venetian masks. And unlike paper mache or papier mache, where the pulp is mixed with the glue or the paste adhesive, this only uses the paper dipped into the adhesive. And I like to use liquid starch. I use strips to cover the rest of the horn. Now this is going to give it some strength. This is going to be the base undercoat with 24 weight copier paper. Next, I'm going to create some little strips to outline and soften the edges of the mask. Now I'm using twisted pieces of paper dipped in liquid starch, and I'll also use little paper strips to hold it on to the mask. And you can see that the mask will be transforming little by little, step by step. This could be a fantasy mask. It could be mystical. It could be spooky, whatever you want it to be, according to your skill level. And if you are an artist and a sculptor, or just enjoy painting or decorating, let your imagination do the rest and create something absolutely wonderful. I'm having so much fun with this piece, but it is so time-consuming. To get it to this point, it's taken approximately 2 weeks, and the weather makes a big difference because I need a lot of drying time in between applications. As I wait for it to dry, I think about the styling. How am I going to stylize this mask? And I thought I'll play with colors first. Colors from my copier paper stock. And then doodle some ideas. I love the idea of using peacock colors for starters. Like this first version of the mask, I like to experiment with all kinds of patterns. And it's so much fun exploring the possibilities of the mask making process. You can learn more about these mask making techniques by visiting my playlists under the mask making and the Halloween section. There you'll find where I've made masks from scratch from start to finish. Also where I've used the mask form. And you can do this too, even if you're a beginner. I hope this video has inspired you to make some wonderful masks of your very own. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And I thank you for being here. So bye for now, and I hope to see you next time.